Hello and welcome to another in our series of short videos about finding information on the Signet database. And in this session we're going to be having a look at finding sheep that performance recorded breeders have listed for sale. And this information is free to access for anyone, whether you be a performance recorded breeder, a pedigree breeder who's looking for a performance recorded ram, or a commercial producer who's looking for a performance recorded ram. So to find the sheep, you want to go to the sheep search and head down to the search sheep for sale. On this page, we have the sales listed where performance recorded sheep are present and a little bit of information. So we've still got some on for the 2020 season. And we've also got a table which shows you the rams which breeders have listed for sale and use as well. So what this does is it breaks it down into the breed and also the type of sale, whether that be on farm or auction or semen, and also into rams and ewes. Over the 2020 sales season, we had over 500 rams listed on here during the peak season. We're only a little way into the 2021 season, so as that really gets underway, there'll be more and more rams listed on here, and it's a great way to find high genetic merit animals. So to see the animals which are listed, it's simply a case of clicking on the box which your kind of desire. And that takes you through to the sheep for sale that are within that section. So as with any of the tables we see on signetdata.com and with the arrows, if we see an arrow, we can rank the animals based on that number. So for example, if we want to have a look at index, and index is one of the key ways that we can rank them on their genetic merit. Again, where we see this green text, this will run us through into that breeder's information, or this example here will run us through to the animal's individual page, so it all links together. And the EBVs will be updated automatically with each new analysis. So this allows us to examine the animal's information in a little bit more depth and even have a look at their pedigree and breeding. The other option we've got is to export the results as a CSV file. And what this means is that we can interrogate that information in a little bit more detail. So we can select them based on their flock book number, the sex, date of birth, the breeder, the type of sale they're at, and we can actually compare all of their EBVs, not just their indexes. So it gives us that extra bit of information and ability to interrogate that data. Breeders also have the option to add notes and images, and there's an example here which shows some notes for an animal and an image, and this is a good way of adding information to help inform your selection as well when you're looking for those performance recorded animals. So it's a great tool in terms of finding performance recorded animals within any of the breeds, and it's a good idea to keep an eye on it as we go through the season. Because there's going to be a lot more animals listed on here.